Hi guys, I'm Simon. I'm Simon. This is Tech My Life video. This is Tech My Life video, and come on! We've all been there, haven't we? Unwanted spam or scam callers. People that we just want to cut out of our life. Unfortunately, they're getting worse, not better, but there's a setting on the iPhone that's going to help you out with this little tip we've got for you today. So let's jump onto your phone. If you haven't got the settings app available, just swipe down from the middle of your screen. Just as you're moving your finger down, touch the screen. People who don't know that, and also you can swipe all the way across right to left and get to the app library. You can look for it in there, or you can just hold the side button, open the settings app. You don't have to say you can just press the button, the little thing will come up there, use Siri and get into settings. Now we're going to scroll down on the settings page, the main settings page. It's the fifth section down. The top one is passwords. So in that section, go down and you'll see phone. So click on phone. This will take you into the phone settings. Again, scrolling down, you can go all the way to the bottom, and just up from the bottom there's a section with 4 items, and the top one is silence unknown callers. So click on that and you want to toggle that from no to yes. It's as simple as that. Now, basically, excuse me, people who aren't on your contacts list, they're going to get rejected straight away. Now, the difference between this and you doing it is when you reject a spam call, it rings a couple of times. So it rings once, twice, 3 times. The person at the other end knows that you are actively rejecting their call. Whereas with this, it doesn't ring at all. It goes straight to voicemail. Every single time they ring, bang, straight to voicemail. And I was getting anywhere between 2 and 5 calls a day before I turned this on, and now I may get a couple a week. And the reason being that they know that there's no opportunity for me to answer that call because it's getting rejected straight out, and they never leave messages. So turning this on, I think you'll see a drastic reduction in the amount of spam or scam callers you get coming into your phone. It gives you a chance to vet. And of course, if it's somebody who wants to contact you, somebody new that you've given your number to, they'll leave a message. So don't worry about that. But yeah, these tips are coming at you every Tuesday on the channel. I'm back. There's other videos in the works as well. So subscribe, hit the like button, comment if you wish. I'm Simon. This has been Tech My Life video, and we'll see you in the next one.